In a long time, say hi to the vlog.
Hello.
Grabe, 5 years. Charot. Oh, eh. Yeah, this is the photo shoot kung saan mag-shoot yung mga senior high later. So we're gonna film that. Fabienne! She is going to guard. She's going to control the photo booth. Yeah, that's a wrap. No photos daw, pero baka pwede video. So video. Joke lang! Ayun. Bawal. Ayun. Good luck! So we have two students from grade 12 here. We have Aaron Dela Cruz and Jello Samson. I both interviewed them, and Sir Roy asked me to interview you guys. And I want to ask you, since the school year is about to end, what is your favorite memorable experience na hindi nyo makakalimutan this school year?
Favorite memorable experience? Para sa akin, yung play namin. Yung play namin, yung pinaka-memorable. Kasi dun sa play, mas rumami yung mga nakilala kong tao dun eh. Mas marami akong nakasama sa parang committees ganun na hindi ko naman talaga kaibigan pa beforehand. And ayun, mas naging close kami tulad nila Ron, nila Jandrel, nila Erin. Ayun.
Ikaw naman, Aaron.
Mababaw lang yung sa akin eh. Pero kasi siya, nung field trip, tumaob yung tractor na sinasakyan namin. So, meron yun. Yun yung siguro pinaka-memorable ko kasi never kong inakala na pag mo naman iisipin mo field trip, safe, di ba? Kasi kailangan within standards yun. Safe siya, walang masasaktan. Pero yung tractor namin, tumaob eh. Siguro kaya nga ang babaw ng sagot ko, hindi siya yung tulad nung kay Jello na, wow, play, yung activity na ang daming na-build na relationship. Yung ganun sa akin, hindi, tumaob lang kasi talaga yung tractor namin sinasakyan.
Ang unique naman ng sa inyo. Diyos ko Lord kayo. Caught on camera talaga. Pero that's nice to hear na ayun yung favorite experience ko. Pero last question, shout out nyo siya. Who is your favorite teacher?
Alam na natin. Alam na natin. Sige, sabay natin.
1, 2, 3, Sir Adi!
Sir Adi, may fans ka. Sige.
I love you, Sir Adi. Adi post tissue for the week.
Sige, thank you. Thank you guys. I appreciate it. So I have the next batch of students. Your names are?
Tyson Bernardo, Sean Ravana, Joshua De La Paz.
So how long have you guys been studying in Maris?
For me, 13 years since prep.
12 years.
13 years.
Tagal nila, grabe yon. So since magkasama kayo as three, I have two questions for you guys. First question is, what has been your favorite memorable experience sa Maris na never nyo makakalimutan?
Ano nga ba? Siguro yung mga field trip na nangyayari every school year. Ayun, sobrang saya nun kasi pag nasa bus, usually nasa likod. So syempre, tugtugan, patuwaan, especially pag sa gabi, puro storya, ganun.
For me naman, sobrang dami countless memories kasi syempre 12 years rin ako dito. Sa lahat ng mga kalokohan na lang siguro na na-experience ko, sa mga office ni Sir Jama, yan, kay Sir Jeff, kay Sir Joel, kay Ma'am Cha. Siyempre yung mga yun, pati mga classroom memories. Yun ang naman sa akin.
Siguro sa akin yung mga free time na nagkakasama-sama kami magbabarkada. Kasi kahit mga MSAL, yan, kasi yun nga, nakakapag-compete kami, tsaka yun nga, nagkakatuwa at kagaya nung sabi.
That's nice to hear naman yun yung favorite experiences nyo. Pero for my last question, you're going to shout out. Pero who is your favorite teacher dito?
Sir Adi!
Grabe, Sir Adi din. Daming fans, Sir Adi. Ikaw naman?
Para sa akin, pwede bang isa o marami?
Ikaw. Isa lang.
Marami para sa akin. Siyempre doon ako kay Ma'am Mejia, magre-retire na. Napaka-solid yan. Mother nature ko yan, si Ma'am Mejia. Tapos si Sir Tan. Shoutout kay Sir Tan. Tapos kay Sir Cubio. Laking idol ako nun Wala nang idol yun sa Maris kung wala na ako. Ayun lang naman.
Sige, thank you so much for your time, you guys. I appreciate it. So I'm here with Ethan Cruz. Second interview again. Yes, he's going to be graduating. So I want to ask you, what does it feel like graduating na?
Sa wakas, tapos na. Pero jokes aside, it's bittersweet talaga. Kasi nga, yun, bittersweet kasi masaya at aalis na. Pero sad din, hindi ko na kayo makikita. Yun lang. Bye!
Okay, na-cut off kami ni Ethan. Pero since you did say, yung feelings mo na gagraduate ka, next question is, what college are you going to go to?
De La Salle University of TAF. Yun.
I see. Hopefully, you have a good future there sa Lasal. And I have one last request. Can you give one gratitude of thanks addressed to Maris?
Maris, thank you for teaching me your values, not just as a student, but also outside of Maris, of course. Like, madadala ko ito habang buhay and maraming salamat.
Thank you so much, Ethan, for your answers. I appreciate it. Good luck sa new school and have fun sa graduation. So I'm here with Sam.
Hi!
Graduating na siya. So we're gonna have our last interview, mabilis lang. And I wanna ask you, what does it feel like graduating na?
Sobrang mixed emotions. Excited. Tsaka excited for college, syempre, to what's to come. But at the same time, sentimental kasi syempre yung mga senior high friends ko, ganyan. In the future, maging close friend kami ng mga friends ko and like that.
Next question is, what college are you going to go to?
Miriam College.
I see. So hopefully you have a great future in Miriam College. And I want to ask you, can you give one gratitude of thanks addressed to Maris School?
Oh, I would like to thank Maris for giving me so many opportunities to grow in a lot of areas, such as my leadership, my time management, and as well as being able to socialize with so many amazing people.
That's awesome to hear, and thank you so much for this small last interview we have. I hope you have a great future. Thank you so much. Thank you. So I'm here with 3 students, grade 12. What's your name?
Jade. I'm Elle. I'm Cheska.
So, since you guys have been in Maris, how long have you been studying in Maris?
Since last year lang, grade 11. About 2 years. Same lang kami lahat. Same lang kami, 2 years.
2 years, so recent students lang. So, I wanna ask you, since you guys have made a lot of memories throughout the past 2 years, what has been your favorite memorable moment in class session?
Yung kulitan. Yung palagi na lang every lunch break, recess, palagi na lang may nagsisigawan sa classroom. Yung mga tawanan, nakakamiss. Siguro para sa akin, yung science class, lalo na si Sir Adi. Sobrang fun nung classes niya, kaya lalo ko siya na-enjoy.
I see. Maganda naman ang mga sinabi niyo. Pero the last question is, I want to ask, magsha-shoutout kayo dito, who is your favorite teacher?
Hi! Easy answer. Ma'am Jen. Love you, Ma'am. Ma'am Saman, I love you. Ma'am Glay, I love you.
Sige, thank you so much for the small interview. I appreciate you guys. Have fun on your graduation and good luck to your future. Thank you. I'm here with Sean.
Hi!
I'm here with Sean Ved. I want to ask you, what does it feel like graduating?
It feels, I don't know, medyo shocked pa ako, pero I'm not surprised. I guess kasi alam ko naman ang mangyayari to. Pero yun, parang wala lang. It's just a normal day na parang it's one more step in my life.
I see. That's very nice to hear of your answer. My next question is, what college are you going to go to?
I am going to University of Santo Tomas. Yes, UST, Goste.
That's nice na that's nice you're going to go to UST. Pero I wanna request, can you give one gratitude of thanks addressed to Maris School?
Thank you, Mary School, for 5 years kasi nagsimula ako dito nung grade 7. Diba? It has, I guess, affected me in so much ways na I cannot imagine dahil at first ayoko talaga dito sa Maris. I never wanted to come here. Pero I guess, diba, I'm gonna graduate here and wala nang magawa. And I'm thankful na lang na they accepted me and fostered way of living. Yun lang. Thank you.
I say thank you, Sean. Hopefully you have a great future. Have fun in your graduation. Thanks, guys. So I'm here with grade 12 more students. What's your name?
Ron, Gavin,
James.
Sam,
Sander.
Noah, Joffrey.
Oh, yung dalawa ko na interview. So, since madami kayo, I want to ask you guys, who is your favorite teacher?
Ma'am Glay. Ma'am Jen. Sir Adi. Lahat.
Ma'am Jen.
Ma'am Jen.
Ma'am Glay.
Lahat. Lahat.
Okay. Pero thank you for the interview. Yun lang yung mga questions ko.
Wala dyan yung katabi mo.
I'm a big fan. Hello po.
Hi, vlog!
I am so handsome. I cannot.
Exactly 11:59 p.m. Well, besides from the ones that I submitted a week later.
Ang talino mo dyan. The term talino is frequently used to describe those who excel in academics. But I believe that this highly stereotyped idea ay ayoko maging valedictorian if it means that people believe it's only about being naturally gifted.